Look around. The world is changing. So must we. Technology is changing our life minute by minute. Our children are our future. Since education is shaping our future citizens, educators and students must make wise choices to prepare for the future. We are bloated with technology-enabled educational content and methods of learning. It's quite tough to choose what we want. Most of the solutions take a back seat on a careful evaluation of quality and affordability. On the other hand, there is plenty of content available in public platforms such as YouTube and Vimeo. Choosing the right content from such large repositories is a mammoth task. What is the solution? Imagine, what if we have a platform with the right content such as explanatory videos, chapter notes, quizzes, question banks, practice questions and periodic evaluations made available to students and teachers based on their syllabus. Students and teachers need not waste their time searching for the right study materials. What if passionate, experienced teachers conduct online classes and are available to clarify the doubts of the students? Parents need not spend huge money on ensuring quality education for their wards. That would be a dream come true. This is exactly what Learner's Note offers. Learner's Note is being updated on a daily basis with new content and learning methods to ensure that students get the best, recent and relevant learning materials to learn and practice with. All these at a cost anybody can afford. Learner's Note revolutionizes the learning process and makes it accessible to the mass. Learner's Note is more of a sustainable and committed service model than a profit-oriented business model. To know more and to start learning, please visit learnersnote.com.